Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to empty the coffee waste container on a Philips 4400 coffee machine. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right over here, we have the Philips 4400 coffee machine. This is my own personal machine, and there is a coffee waste container that you have to empty every once in a while, because as it makes coffee, it's going to take the coffee that it has used and it's going to put it in the waste container. It's really easy to empty the waste container. I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do it. All that you have to do is take this tray over here at the bottom and you're going to pull it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to pull it out just like that. And we're going to pull it back and I'm just going to remove it basically all the way so you can see what's going on. Okay, now on this tray over here, behind this little, I guess this little facing over here is going to be a container. This container can be removed and it's going to contain the coffee waste. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to lift it up. Okay, just give me a moment. I'm just going to get a better grip of it. And I'm going to show you. Inside of there is the coffee waste. As you can see, it is just over there, just like that. I emptied it recently, and I emptied it before, and I've been doing a couple of video tutorials with the machine. So yeah, there's just one puck in there, I believe, and it fell and actually broke apart, which is kind of cool. It's just a cool little thing that when it falls, sometimes the pucks remain like somewhat intact, but sometimes the pucks break apart. As you can see, that one is like basically broken apart, which is really cool. But yeah, basically you're going to take this container, which is the waste container, you're going to empty it out into wherever you're putting it, whatever. If you're putting it, I don't know, in the garbage, or if you have some sort of like compost or something, I'm not sure, it's up to you. But you're going to empty it out. When you're done, you're going to place it back up in the spot, in the right orientation, just like that. And then you're going to go and slide it back in place. Now, as you can see, this is the way that it goes. It's very simple. Just so you can see, this is, give me a moment, because the faceplate is sort of, I guess it's coming up or out, I'm not sure. But essentially, that's the way that it goes back in. So I would take this, I would empty it out into whatever I'm going to empty it into, the garbage, let's just say, for example, and I would put it back in place, just like that. Make sure it's in place in the right way and it's oriented properly. And then you're going to take it and you're going to slide it back, and then you're going to slide it back in place. And as you can see right now, the message says insert drip tray. So it's telling me to insert the drip tray on the screen. When I put this back in, I'm going to slide it all the way in. Everything's inserted correctly, and now the message disappears. Very simple. So that's basically it. Just to make it simple one last time, essentially to empty the coffee waste container, you're going to pull this tray out. You're going to remove the coffee waste container from where it is. You're going to empty it into the garbage or whatever, compost, whatever you're going to do with it. And then essentially you're going to take it and you're going to put it back in place. Just make sure it's oriented properly. Once it's in place, just take your drip tray and slide it back in place. And you're good to go. Once you get like your screen over here, once that message has disappeared, you should be good to go. And you can see that you're now ready to make a nice coffee. It's that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.